This is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to search for games on your PlayStation 5. So if you can't find a specific game at any point in time, you can go back to the home screen. You don't even need to go to like the PlayStation Store or the game library right here. All you have to do is go up, then go to the right and go to the search icon right here. Then type in the name of the game. So let's do Minecraft. And we can just type in mine and it should pop up for us. So here's Minecraft right here for games. And it says it's already in my library. But we have other games that have Minecraft in the title, like Minecraft Legends, Minecraft Dungeons, and we have Minecraft Story Mode Season 2. So you can just select your game now and open it up, and it's very easy to find. Now if you already have the game, you can go over to the game library right here, go up on the D-pad, and then you can go to your collection. And you should be able to see all the games you ever bought or purchased or added to your account under here, and then scroll on down. So here's like X Defiant. That game is pretty fun. I like that one. Otherwise, you can go to specifically just your PlayStation Plus games, and then add these to your account every month as well. So you usually have 3 of them. And then here's all your PS Plus games you've ever added to your account. I have 312 of these games because I've had PlayStation Plus for about 10 years. So I have a lot of games. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.